How to detect Messenger video calls on your device.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing how you can detect Messenger video calls on your device. Messenger is a popular messaging app that allows you to connect with friends and family through text, voice, and video calls. Sometimes, you may want to know if someone is trying to reach you through a video call on Messenger, so let's explore how you can detect these calls on your device.
Checking notification settings.
The first step in detecting Messenger video calls is to ensure that your notification settings are properly configured. Let's go through the process step by step. 1. Open the Messenger app on your device. 2. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon located in the top left corner of the screen. 3. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. 4. In the Settings menu, choose Notifications and Sounds. Here, you'll find various notification options. Make sure that the Video Calls option is enabled, allowing Messenger to send you notifications when you receive a video call. Additionally, you can customize the notification sound, vibration, and other related settings according to your preferences.
Checking the call log.
If you miss a video call notification or want to review your call history, you can check the Messenger call log. Follow these steps to access it. 1. Open the Messenger app and tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. 2. On the chat screen, tap on the Calls tab located in the top navigation bar. Here, you'll find a list of your recent calls, including both voice and video calls. You can scroll through the list to see the calls you've made or received. The calls will be labeled with icons indicating whether they were voice or video calls.
Utilizing device notifications.
Another way to detect Messenger video calls on your device is through your device's native notification system. By allowing Messenger to send notifications to your device, you'll receive alerts whenever you receive a video call. The process of enabling notifications for Messenger may vary depending on your device's operating system, e.g., iOS or Android. Generally, you can follow these steps. 1. Open the device's settings on your phone or tablet. 2. Look for the Notifications or Sounds and Notifications section. 3. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Messenger and tap on it. 4. Ensure that notifications are enabled for Messenger. You can customize the notification style, sound, and other settings as per your preference. By leveraging your device's notification system, you'll receive timely alerts whenever someone tries to reach you through a Messenger video call. That's it for this video tutorial on how to detect Messenger video calls on your device. We covered 3 main methods: checking notification settings within the Messenger app, reviewing the call log, and utilizing your device's notification system. By following these steps, you'll be able to stay connected and never miss an important video call on Messenger. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video.